I would now like to move to the next item on the agenda, which is LAWPRO. And I want to welcome Kathleen Waters, President and CEO of LAWPRO, and Duncan Gosnell, Executive Vice President and Secretary. And just before Ms. McGrath gives her report, maybe she's going to say this, but it's in my notes to say it, that the LAWPRO was recently awarded by AM Best Company the financial strength rating of an A and an issuer credit rating of an A for the 16th consecutive time. In establishing its rating, they cited LAWPRO's strong capitalization, commanding market profile, and improving operating results. So I want to congratulate Ms. Waters and the staff at LAWPRO for their exceptional work that no doubt greatly benefits the profession at large. So with that, I guess, Ms. McGrath, you're pitching to the converted here, but tell us about LAWPRO.
Well, thank you. And actually, that is in my remarks that I would suggest that it bears repeating. Thank you for the opportunity to review LAWPRO's 2016 report to Convocation, which you will find at page 280 of board books. As many of you know, this is the time of year when LAWPRO's board, which I have the honor to chair, describes the offer for next year's insurance program. This year, we are pleased to bring forward a very positive report to Convocation. Today, you will hear how we are delivering an affordable and effective insurance program tailored to the changing bar and their clients. As times change, LAWPRO changes too. So often, when LAWPRO is responding to change, the overall theme is downbeat. In this case, however, we have some good developments to report. You will find the 2017 offer at pages 288 to 290 of board books. I am very happy to announce a $400 reduction in base premium from $3,350 to $2,950. This reduction has been determined after careful analysis of claims history, capital accumulation, and the need to continue to operate the company in a commercially reasonable manner. For many years, there have been various uncertainties hanging over LAWPRO, and the company has prudently addressed these uncertainties to the best of its ability. For example, recently, government regulators required us to complete our first own risk and solvency assessment, also known as ORSA. The ORSA process is an insurer's individual assessment of its risks, capital needs, and solvency position. It is a report used for setting internal targets and giving a framework for board solvency responsibilities. The process was new to LAWPRO and includes in-depth stress testing and situational analysis. As a new requirement, we did not know how it would reflect on our capital position or whether it would affect the board's preferred operating range for the minimum capital test. The minimum capital test is a key solvency test for Canadian insurance companies. In the end, with the results of our ORSA report, moderating claims growth compared to significant upward projections in earlier years, and a mid-year minimum capital test result of 251%, it became clear that we had the stability to offer a reduction in base premium. Of course, moderating claims experience and solid investment markets can change, but for now, we have cause for celebration. In addition, we've made some other changes to better serve the Ontario public. As society evolves to meet access to justice needs, individuals will obtain legal advice and services in various ways. One such way is through government programs. To better support those working within government, but who act for more than just their employer, a new premium adjustment equivalent to 75% off the base rate is available for lawyers who are employed by designated agencies. To take advantage of this discount, the lawyers must perform professional services only for third parties related to their employment and on a no-fee basis. Typically, Those who qualify will be assisting people who have challenges accessing legal advice. In addition to further provide access to justice, qualifying lawyers will be exempt from civil litigation transaction levy payments for those services provided through the designated agency. LAWPRO is hearing from lawyers about a greater variety of secondment arrangements than ever before. Secondments present special underwriting risks. The lawyer may be largely removed from law firm supports and may be exposed to a greater range of corporate information and business decisions than is typical for outside counsel. In-house lawyers generally cannot be sued by their employers under employment law. As secondments can take many forms, the insurance program needs flexibility in this area to ensure that seconded lawyers are adequately protected while the program guards against claims that should be excluded under employment law principles. To support lawyers doing this work while ensuring that insurance program resources cannot be accessed by corporate clients who in the specific circumstances are more accurately characterized as being in an employment relationship with the lawyer for the term of the secondment, we have included the following change. For 2017, the policy will exclude claims brought by corporations against seconded lawyers where the claimant meets the definition of corporate employer under the policy, and we will extend the $250,000 defense-only coverage to the benefit of the seconded lawyer if the employer exclusion applies. Two other changes proposed for the 2017 program are intended to better protect clients. First, we are clarifying LAWPRO's ability to report lawyers to the Law Society to be in line with recent significant changes to the rules of professional conduct. Condition Q of the policy, which contains this power, has been in force unamended since 1998, and now seems to be an appropriate time for an update. Second, to ensure that those lawyers who choose or inadvertently fail to file the renewal application by the deadline do not end up inconveniencing their clients because the default coverage does not really suit their needs, their previous coverage choices will be automatically reinstated. In particular, the real estate practice coverage option will be continued where applicable, so real estate clients are not inconvenienced. And more generally, non-standard deductible choices or premium discounts will be reinstated when a completed renewal application is not received by the deadline. In conclusion, after 16 years of earning a financial strength rating of A and a stable outlook for the 5th year in a row from AM Best, a global insurance rating service, we all have reason to be proud. The strength we have built lets us stand behind the work of Ontario lawyers and the clients they serve. It has come from our discipline and your support. We have grown a strong and reliable insurance company that has become a standard of excellence in Canada. I therefore ask Convocation to accept the offer that you will find at pages 288 to 290 of Board Books. I will take any questions.
Thank you, Ms. McGrath. I take it it's really a motion by you,
Yes.
and do you have a seconder?
Barb Murchie?
Ms. Murchie, thank you. Are there any questions, comments in the room for Ms. McGrath and our friends at LAWPRO? Nothing in the room. How about on the telephone, Mr. Lerner?
The conference is no longer in lecture mode.
Any questions on the telephone?
No.
Thank you very much, Ms. McGrath. You've got an excellent report, and again, may I convey my thanks to you and to Ms. Waters, Mr. Gosnell, and the staff of LAWPRO for the excellent work. We should vote on this. All in favor of accepting the report? Thank you. Any